step by step, we're going to extract the metadata. Then we are going to feed it to the AI. Then we can generate the Markdown, and then we can render as PDF. But it has some specific and particular logic in it. This package, it's a helper for time registry app that allows the users to do clock in and clock out actions. It prevents them from overlapping their time, and also ties the time that they are doing the clock in and clock out actions to a specific timesheet record that it's associated or could be associated to a work order or any other activity that they are doing for their company. In this case, I'm using the DBMS metadata, get DDL. I'm targeting this specific package and this specific package body, right? Here we can use the DBMS objects view, if I'm not mistaken, or table, right? And we can go through all that table to all the different objects and get the DDL for each of those. It can be a package, it can be a function, it can be a table, a view, right? And we can generate all that stuff, right? We can send it to the AI through a REST call. In this case, I'm not gonna do it, right? I'm not gonna show how to create this REST call, but essentially it's exactly the same thing that you do when you log into ChatGPT and start adding your prompt, right? So we are going to start with the prompt that it's more like spec style technical documentation. We can write something like so this is an example of a prompt. You're a technical documentation assistant. Summarize the following field SQL package in Markdown format and include a high-level description of the package's purpose, a breakdown of each procedure function, including its parameters and expected behavior, and any relevant business logic or dependencies that can be inferred from the code. Use clear, professional language suitable for internal developer documentation.